Hey, it's Mike Smull. I was going through New Jersey and I thought I'd stop at Jack's house, grab a cup of coffee.
All right, brother, sit down, hang
Talk a little
out.
bit about what's going on with my lawn and a lot of your lawns. I mean, we're getting near the end of April and we're trying to grow our grass. We want it to look good, and we want it to look good by, let's say, the holidays, July 4th. Well,
Okay,
do
cool.
we still have time to do that? And what is the process? How do I get a great lawn starting right now?
Well, what we always start with is line up with the way the plant wants to grow.
Okay.
And that's also the way the soil wants to grow too. So think both ways. But in the springtime, these cool season plants want to grow a lot.
Right.
So we do want to place our efforts in, hey, let's give it everything it needs to be as robust as possible, getting ready for the summertime, because the summertime is when things get hard.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's get robust right now. So there's a number of different things we can do, but first and foremost, we want to activate that soil, activate that plant. That's why we use organic fertilizer, because it's doing both. It's doing both that soil side and the plant side.
Okay, and that will just alone will green up. That's going to get the roots growing. It's going to get the plant growing, filling out.
That alone, that, and then we also want to mow. Like we want. There's other things to do too.
We don't want to mow, but we have to.
We have to mow.
And does that help?
Oh, absolutely.
Part of the process.
We're trying to train the plant, so we want to train it at a height that we want it at, and we want to try and keep it at that height as consistently as possible. So that means don't let it grow way up and then hack it down, and grow way up and hack it down.
Okay, so try to keep it consistent.
Exactly.
All right, so if I put down 822 replenish on my lawn, how much space between the next time that I put it down? 4 weeks, 6 weeks?
Yeah, what I would say honestly is that as little as 4,
okay,
as much as 8.
Okay.
In this March to Independence Day time, St. Patrick's Day to Independence Day time, you can have your intervals as little as 4 weeks, as much as 8.
Excellent. So we're going to mow. We're going to put it down. We're going to repeat the process, maybe 4 to 6, 8 weeks. Make sure we're feeding, getting plenty of.
Hey, it's like you're going to the gym, getting ready, your beach body ready for the summertime. The same thing we're doing on our lawns.
Telling me I can get a beach body and maybe 2 applications, 2 times to the gym.
You too can have a beach body by 4th of July.
I don't know if I can do that, but anyway, you can have a beautiful lawn by the 4th of July if you get out there and you mow it, keep it consistent, and get down the EarthWorks 822 replenish. Get it down there, get it down a couple times, and your lawn's
going to grow the plant and going to grow the soil, and we're going to get ready for the summer.
Excellent.
All right, Mike.